This wheel that I'm holding is an absolute must-have for anyone trying to build a track-focused Crown Vic. And one of the reasons being is that my 5-year-old daughter weighs more than one of these wheels. Folks, throw out your bullet rims. Throw out your Cobra rims.
Can't get that. Get that.
Dude, it's still going. It's still going. And let me introduce you to the Crown Vic cheat code known as the Mustang FR500 wheels. Now, FR stands for Ford Racing. The 500 actually represents the car's 5-liter displacement. The FR500 Mustang was a concept car. It was essentially a new age Mustang on steroids. Now, like I said earlier, these rims first debuted on the FR500 concept car in 1999. These split 10-spoke wheels are Ford's, and like I said at the beginning of the video, they are extremely lightweight. I believe they are right around 15 to 16 pounds each without the tires on. The reason these rims are an absolute cheat code for Panther cars is because of their perfect combination of being extremely tough, incredibly light, and the icing on the cake is what I believe to be the golden ratio for street and track wheel dimensions. That's 17 by 9.5, all the way around. On top of that, throw in a set of Toyo Proxies double R track tires. And well, folks, you have yourself one of the most sinister wheel and tire combinations you can have on a Crown Vic, hell, on any Panther car. Now, for the most part, the Mustang FR500 wheels, as far as the Panther platform community goes, has kind of gone undetected under the radar. When the majority of people usually go with a bullet rim style setup or some kind of Rovo or Cobra wheel style, I'll only usually see these rims amongst some of the most hardcore of the Panther platform racing community. That's because these wheels have the trifecta of having a sleek and sporty design, increased performance with their lightweight yet durable materials, and finally, for being such a high quality product, these wheels are relatively affordable compared to other performance-oriented aftermarket wheels. Now, keep in mind, they're still expensive, but compared to some of the other stuff, they're actually a little bit more affordable. And there you have it, folks. Shamu, aka the Cobra Vic, has now joined the ranks of other Panther FR500 wheel owners. One thing I am realizing with these new wheels is that the car needs to be a lot lower than what it actually is. Right now it is 1.5 in the front and 2 inches in the rear. I'm gonna have to drop this bad boy a whole lot more. But man, I am loving these rims. These things drive so damn good. I was doing some turns, testing it out here along the way, man. It felt so freaking good. What do you guys think? Should I leave the color? Should I change the color? Woof, man, this car is just mean. Let me know, comment section down below. I was thinking of doing like a bronze kind of color, maybe doing them black. Should I do them black? I'm kind of leaning towards it, man. Let me know, comment section down below. Now, if you fine folks don't mind me, I got some back roads to shred up, man. Either way, it's your boy, Mr. Random. Stay tuned for this following video pertaining to any information on Pantherfest 2023, which is coming up July 22nd. Guys, you do not want to miss it. It is going to be ridiculous. Just stick around and watch these 2 little video clips. Either way, man, love you guys. See you at Pantherfest. You will be seeing the Cobra Vic at Pantherfest. See you there. A huge announcement to make. Right now, this year's Pantherfest is shaping up to be the largest gathering of privately owned Panther cars in history. As you all know, there will be a Best in Show trophy along with second and third place awards being issued out as well. Additionally, there will be one more competition being added this year, and that's none other than a good old-fashioned exhaust competition. Participants will be judged on cold start, rev, and idle. The winner of this year's exhaust competition will receive a $100 cash prize and a freaking championship belt. Exhaust championship belt for Pantherfest 2023. Let me lay this thing out. Yo, hands down, this is one of the coolest car show trophies I've ever seen. I almost want to keep this thing to myself. I do not want to give this thing away, but yes, that's a wrestling style championship belt for the best exhaust in the fest. And for more details on Pantherfest 2023, watch the following clip. Enjoy the video. Interested in coming, Pantherfest 2023 will be Saturday, July 22nd, beginning at 2 p.m. Central Time until 5 p.m. at the location that's shown on the screen. Like last year, everyone who attends will have a chance to vote for the Panther car they think is worthy of Best in Show title. The winner will receive a Best in Show trophy along with a $500 cash prize. This year's event will be hosted at the North American Lineman Training Center. So please be respectful. That means no burnouts and no sliding. All and every Panther car is welcome. From Mercuries to P71s, from lifted off-road Vics to whatever the hell this is. Whether it's on 22s or 26s, slammed or anywhere in between, if it's a Panther car, I want to see it there. This year, there will be a special appearance by the Burnout Cafe Cuban food truck. Come eat some Cuban food while you hang out with fellow Panther car owners. And who knows, maybe you will take home that $500 Best in Show prize. All that and more at this year's Pantherfest 2023. See you there. Ford